How to organize references in EndNote Web. Please make sure you have an account with EndNote Web using your university email and are signed in. Creating groups. To group like references together, hover over the word Organize in the navigation bar, and then select Manage Groups. From this screen, you'll see a list of your groups, along with how many references there are in each group, and you will be given the option to either share, rename, or delete the group. If you wish to create a new group, click on New Group found below the group list. Then type in the name of the group and select OK. Your new group will now be listed in alphabetical order. Finding duplicates. To find references you may have duplicated, hover over Organize and select Find Duplicates. From this screen, you will see a list of any duplicates you may have, with some of them already selected. Before deleting any duplicates, go through and verify that they are in fact duplicates. Select those that you wish to delete, then click the Delete button found above the title list.